Welcome back, I'm Larry. So we're in a little bit of a different setting today. So I had a question. Would y'all like to see that on the channel being worked on? So this is actually my first car as well as my sister's first car. And that's where I'm actually standing at, is my sister's house. It's been up in storage for the past few years. This is a 1968 Mustang. First engine I ever rebuilt, Ford 289, which is why the channel is called Fast Force 289 in case you ever wondered. I redid the interior years ago, but as you can see, it's dusty, a little dirty, needs to be cleaned up. But I drove this car for a while until somebody pulled out in front of me and wrecked the front end, got it fixed. The quarter panel was messed up, had it replaced. So the body work has been done, it just needs to be painted. But my sister wants to try to get this back on the road. And so, yeah. Think about putting it on the channel and doing some videos on this. So comment down below and tell me if y'all would like to see this. And I would pop the hood and show you the engine, but as you can see, it's a little bit cluttered right now. So we can't do that. So be a surprise. So yeah, that is my first car. So I said I built that engine when I was 14 years old. So I said first engine I ever built. So yeah, pretty cool car. It'd be cool to get it back on the road, get it running again. But comment down below and let me know what you think about the car, if you'd like to see it on the channel, and what kind of things would you like to possibly see. So yeah, leave that in the drop box down below. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. You can now become a member. Link is in the description. And that's all there is for this one. So the next time, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.